Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our last video for the week using the Nature's Symphony bundle. For this card, I've used the greeting from the bundle, and I've used my stylish shape dies to cut it out. And I've used the February product of the month, the Painted Illusions Designer Series paper as my background. This is similar to one I did last time I used this stamp bundle, and I just realized I don't have a card base prepped. So I'm just going to prep a card base while I'm talking. And I've used the die, the leaf die, to cut out 3 sets of leaves in colors that correspond with the Designer Series paper. So let's just get this card base made. And we can get going. So for this one, I used Darling Duckling, Flirty Flamingo, and Misty Moonlight. And I put it on a Flirty Flamingo base. This one I'm using Flirty Flamingo, Misty Moonlight, and Granny Apple Green. Because those are primarily the colors that are in this piece. Now, this is a 5 1/4 by 4. I'm just going to adhere it down. What I found when cutting out the leaves with this die is it really likes to hold on to the paper. Like, it's super grippy. So I recommend putting a piece of waxed paper between your paper, your cardstock, and the die. And that way it'll help release without tearing, because these little stems are super thin, and it's really easy to tear your die cut taking it out of the die. So just adding that little layer of waxed paper really helps. Okay, and I'm just going to lay this down like this. And I know that my greeting is going to go here. So I can move this out, I can move it in, I can move it around, knowing that I'm going to cover that piece up. So then I'm going to take my Flirty Flamingo. And you might notice that my Granny Apple Green piece is just slightly smaller. The piece of scrap that I was using wasn't quite big enough to cut the stem as well, but I didn't want to cut into a larger piece of paper, especially knowing that that's going to be covered up. So that's why my Granny Apple Green piece appears to be missing a bit of its tail. So let's just pick this one up. Okay, and you can see here the leaf is actually separated on this one. So I'm going to be super careful when I put adhesive on that. I didn't use wax paper on this one, and I should have. Okay, so we're going to take this and we're going to layer it up like this. And I'm just going to make sure that I have attached that piece back together there. And then we're just going to attach these down. One of the nice things about having it kind of really wobbly is that you can actually move the pieces around if you want. You can kind of spread the stems out, or you can put them together. I'm just going to put some dimensionals on the back of the greeting, and I've just flat mounted the greeting that I stamped on basic white and die cut out onto a piece of Granny Apple Green. So I coordinated my greeting mat with my card base. Okay, so, and then we're just going to pop this down like this, and the You Make Me Smile, just like that. Okay, and then I've got some of the holographic resin dots that I'm going to use on the greeting. It's just a bit of white space on the greeting that I wanted to add some interest to. There we go. So that is our 2 cards. We've got the one on Flirty Flamingo. We've got the other one on the Granny Apple Green. And the colors are based on the colors in the product of the month, the Painted Illusions Designer Series paper. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.